Hey everyone, here's a question from exercise 10.1, third question. This is from class 9th, Heron's formula. So the question is, there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some colors with message, keep the park green and clean, which is shown in this figure. If the sides of the wall are 15 meters, 11 meters and 6 meters, find the area painted in color. So we can see that this triangular part is painted. So these are the steps and this is a slide here. So the dimensions we know, we have to find the area of this triangular portion. To find this area, we have to use Heron's formula, and for that first we have to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is half of the perimeter, and we know the three sides 15 meters, 11 meters and 6 meters. So S, which is semi-perimeter, is half of the perimeter. Right? Semi means half. So we have to add all the sides and divide it by 2. So three sides are 15, 11 and 6. So we'll add 3 and divide it by 2. So when you add 15, 11 and 6, you get 32. So 32 divided by 2 is 16. We get 16 meters. So this is semi-perimeter. Now using this, we have to find the area of this triangular portion or area of this triangle. So area, we have to use the Heron's formula to find that. It is square root of S times S minus A. A is the side here, and S minus B, S minus C, where S is a semi-perimeter which we found and A, B, C are the three sides. We have to just substitute and get the value. So this is equals to, we'll substitute the values here. We get 16 times 16 minus, let's take the first side as 15. So 16 minus 15, and second bracket S minus B, 16 minus 11, and third one is 16 minus 6. You can take this in any order. It's not necessary you have to take A, B, C as 15, 11, 6. You can take it in any order. You will get the same value. 16 minus the third side is 6. So this is equals to, now solve the brackets part. We have 16 here. 16 minus 15 is 1. So 16 times 1. Then 16 minus 11 is 5. And 16 minus 6 is 10. So we have to solve this square root. Now this is very interesting because if the number is not a perfect square, then how to solve it? So the best way is expand this number and try to make a pair, because we are finding the square root here. So this is equals to, so how can we expand this? We have a smaller number, so it's easy to expand. We can write 16 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So you can multiply and check. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So I've expanded 16 in terms of its prime factor. I get here 4 2s. And then we have 1, you can ignore the 1. And then 5 is a prime number, we can't split it. So we'll write 5. And this 10, we can write it as 5 times 2. Now start pairing up. So this is square root. So this is one pair, this is one pair, and we have a pair of 5, and this 1, 2 is left out. So this is 2 square times 2 square times 5 square times 2. So all the numbers which have a square, they get cancelled. Square root will get cancelled with those number, and for 2 we don't have a pair here, it's just a 2. So if you write this, if you expand this, I will solve it here. We can write this as 2 square square root, or let's rewrite this in this way. We can reduce the number of steps. We have a power 2 for this three factors, right? 2, 2 and 5. The power is same, the base is different. So you can multiply the base and keep the power same, which is square. And next we have 2. We can rewrite this again as, we'll split this. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 square times 2. So this is equals to, you can again split it, 20 square times square root 2. So square and square root will get cancelled because they're inverse operation. Square root inverse operation is square and vice versa. So they'll get cancelled. We're left with 20 and here we have a square root 2. So this is the answer. So this is the area and the units will be meter square. So I have not written the units in the beginning, but you can have to write it at the end. So 20 square root 2 is the answer. This is the area of this triangular region which is painted. I hope this question is clear. If you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.